Hey everyone, the Blackview Oscal Pilot 3 is a rugged smartphone built with an eye toward performance, durability, and intelligent user experience. As the direct successor to the Oscal Pilot 2, this third-generation model refines the formula by incorporating more advanced AI features and stronger hardware, while staying true to its rugged DNA. At the heart of the Oscal Pilot 3 lies a large 6.78-inch BOE LCD panel, offering a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels in a 20:9 aspect ratio. Its 120 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling rate make for fluid scrolling and responsive interactions. The display's 700 in-night peak brightness makes it usable even in bright sunlight. Under the hood, the phone runs on the Dimensity 6300 chipset. The device supports up to 12 GB of physical LPDDR4X RAM and allows for up to 24 GB of additional virtual RAM, creating a potential total of 36 GB for heavy multitasking and resource-intensive apps. Storage is equally generous, with 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard and support for micro SD cards up to 2 TB. Software-wise, the Oscal Pilot 3 runs docOS 4.1 based on Android 15, but it goes a step further by integrating a suite of AI tools including DeepSeek R1, GPT-4o Small, and Gemini 2.0 Flash. Photography is another area where the Pilot 3 shows marked improvement. The rear camera system includes a 50 megapixels Samsung JN1 main sensor for general photography, accompanied by a 20 megapixels Sony IMX37-6 night vision sensor and a GC6133 auxiliary lens. This combination allows for versatile shooting modes, including advanced portrait blur, sky replacement, and 2K video recording. On the front, the 32 megapixels selfie camera delivers clear portraits. Battery life is another standout feature. The massive 7,500 mAh battery supports 33-watt fast charging and 6-watt reverse charging. Blackview claims it offers over 750 hours of standby time and up to 43 hours of talk time, making it well-suited for users in remote areas or those who spend long hours away from a power source. Built to endure harsh conditions, the Oscal Pilot 3 complies with MIL-STD-810H standards and carries IP68 and IP69K ratings for water and dust resistance. Whether you're navigating a job site, hiking through rough terrain, or working in wet conditions, this device is designed to hold up. Connectivity options are modern and robust. The phone supports dual 5G SIMs, NFC for contactless payments, Wi-Fi AC for fast wireless networking, and Bluetooth 5.2 for stable connections to peripherals. The Oscal Pilot 3 is offered in 2 colors, orange and black, and is priced at $329. It's available for purchase through Blackview's official website, with shipping expected to commence in early July. Overall, the Oscal Pilot 3 positions itself as a durable, smart, and productivity-focused handset that caters not just to rugged use cases, but also to users who value AI-enhanced versatility in their daily routines. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.